scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Cross-price elasticity gets easy fast when you track the sign because positive and negative values tell you exactly how two goods are related. Cross-price elasticity measures how demand for one good changes when another good's price changes. So the whole question is really about matching each relationship with the correct sign. For substitute goods, if one product gets more expensive, people switch to the other one. So demand for that other good rises and cross-price elasticity is positive. For complementary goods, if one item's price rises, demand for the related item falls too, which makes cross-price elasticity negative, and that matches option D. Well done! Option D, scan now. Trap, watch signs, do not rush. Rule, trust what is given and check the relationship steps carefully.